Oh, smell of a brand new shoes, man. It's so addictive. What is happening, guys? It's your boy A-Biz Abroad. It's another day of your A-Biz Abroad. It's been a hectic week for all the shoe lovers, for all the sneakerheads. This week, it was the release of the two shoes. The Travis Scott SB Dunks Low. Second one was the Jordan 1 Pine Green or Gucci Green. Apparently there wasn't any official name of the Jordan 1 Pine Green, but people call them Pine Green, so I think the Nike will stick to that. So this is what happened. I joined the raffle for the Travis Scott. I joined two raffles here in Australia on these skate shops, but of course I took a big L of that.
You stupid.
Joined again a raffle online. I still didn't win it. What? But it's alright. Like, it's part of the game, it's part of the culture. When you take a big W or a big L, well, that's part of it, right? As soon as I found out I win any raffles, I took my chance on the Pine Green. I went straight to Nike Store, that's Nike Store Australia, but unfortunately I didn't get it as well.
Bruh.
I was online waiting for the confirmation if I got the shoes or not. It probably took like 5 minutes, and then it said didn't get them. I'm sorry, this time it didn't work, stuff like that, blah blah blah. The Nike sent me this thing that I didn't get it, so I was like, damn.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So yeah, okay, so I'm heartbroken, but alright, what can we do? By the next day, I took the partner going grocery shopping. When I passed by the Nike store, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna have a look and see what's inside. I was actually looking for socks. I went inside and then I saw the Jordan 1 Pine Green just sitting on the shelf. So I was like, what the hell? I thought they were sold out since they don't have the 10.5, so I took the 11, the size 11. Now I got my very own pair of the Nike Jordan 1 Pine Green, the Air Jordan 1 Pine Green. I got a box. Alright, initial reaction of the box. The box looks decent. It got a black box with a Nike swoosh, red Nike swoosh, and when they said Nike here, not the typical box, and nothing unusual about it. Size 11. Let's see. Oh, there you go. I still have the receipts from Nike. Brand new, authentic. It's original, of course. They don't sell fakes, right? The Nike store. Alright. Here we go. Let's see what's inside here. Boom. There you go. The Air Jordan 1 Pine Green. It comes with an extra red shoelace. Pine Green mentions combines genuine and synthetic leather upper with a solid rubber cup soles that encapsulates an air sole unit for cushioning. Believe it or not, this shoe, some of the boys that I know use this for playing basketball. I think this leather, as we all know, the Jordan 1, show you the leather. This leather, the Jordan 1 easily crease. It's part of the life of the Jordan 1. It easily crease, but I actually love seeing Jordan 1 with crease. It means it got a story, and the shoes got story already. A story to tell. The only thing that I kinda not like is this one here. They stitched a leather that says the Air Jordan logo here, instead of imprinting it out on the leather itself, on this green leather. But from afar, it looks just like a lump of black leather right there. But it's so good. Thong, and it says Nike Air here with a swoosh, red one. Thong is pretty decent. says Nike Air here with the black shoelaces right there. Okay, I bought this 230. Don't be shocked, 230. That's Australian dollars. We're not talking about US dollars here. And the resale value for that, I was just in the market or in the StockX. So I looked at the StockX. It's around. It was sitting around. I think there was 300 something Australian dollars. My advice, if you want to resell this right now, there probably won't be too much of a profit. So just hold on to your pair and see it from the future. If you're really into reselling of the pair, I'm probably gonna keep this to myself. Personal shoes for me. This shoes will look so good if you're a Celtic fan wearing the Celtic jersey. This will look fire on your attire, like all green, black and green. This shoes was a general release. Yeah, I love the smell of that. Alright, this is a Nike. And look at that, the swoosh green leather on it, man. It's sure fire. I love that one. I love it on this. I think this is it for me today. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for checking this out. The Air Jordan 1 Pine Green. By the way, if you're in Australia and if you're chasing this one, I still can probably hook you up with Chermside Nike store. They probably still have sizes there, but again, like I said earlier, it's only 11 and up the sizes, so they probably still have 11. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel by pressing like, sub, and press the bell button if you want to check out my videos in the near future. So up until again, I'm probably gonna grab the UNC, the Jordan 3 UNC. If I get it, of course I'm gonna vlog it, and if not, then it's alright. You will know because I won't be vlogging it. Alright, thank you very much. You far too kind. Peace out, guys.